Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2017 17-plate Land Rover Range Rover Evoque SD4 HSE Dynamic 2-litre diesel automatic. Having covered 67,000 miles from new, the vehicle comes with full service history as well as features including heated electric front seats, front and rear parking sensors, satellite navigation and a panoramic glass roof. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.